Are you looking for a way to detoxify, improve sleep, boost immunity, and increase energy? IV hydration may be your answer. And back with us from New Vitality Health and Wellness, Dr. Erica Francois. That's quite the list. And you and I were just talking before we got started, maybe even help weight loss.
Yes.
IV hydration. I hear it out there. I don't want to kind of say it's a buzzword, it's a trendy thing, but I want to hear a doctor break it down for us like yourself.
Yes.
What is it?
So IV hydration is where we can offer IV fluids, but we also infuse the IV fluids with minerals, vitamins. It's been phenomenal in how it works, especially if you come in, you have a cold or something you're trying to fight off. We give you what we call an immunity bag. That's high dose vitamin C and zinc and magnesium, and it just helps to replenish the body. Over 75% of Americans are dehydrated. So to get these fluids, you're just you feel so rejuvenated. Most patients come in and they can feel the effects almost immediately after their treatment.
What I'm curious too, I said you touched on the immunity. What about being able to improve sleep? That is one that it's like, yes, please. I'm a parent, anything you can do to get more sleep.
Yes.
Why would IV hydration help that?
So it helps to replenish our cells. Like I mentioned, when we're dehydrated, we don't sleep well at all.
Okay.
So when we're replenishing the body and the cells with fluids and with the minerals that it needs, you will definitely sleep better as well. Yeah.
Well, we've talked a little bit about the benefits, and one of them too, the detoxify. That kind of makes me think of getting healthy, and we've talked many times about primarily losing weight.
Yes.
So many of the people that you work with, that is what they are trying to do.
Yes.
How do the two go together? Can they?
They can go together. We actually offer a bag called the Skinny as well. So it has all of your B vitamins that helps with giving you energy, and it also has amino acids that help with metabolizing fat in the bloodstream as well. And so you mentioned that it helps to detoxify.
Yeah.
So usually, most of the time when patients are receiving their treatment, they're like, hey, I got to go to the bathroom. Because now they have to urinate because now the water is going right through them. So they're finally hydrated enough.
Well, and
yes.
I'm glad you actually brought that up, because I was going to ask about the process itself. We can sit here and talk about the benefits all day long, but what is it like? How long does it take? What do people need to know?
So it takes approximately 60 minutes in total time that they will be there. We make sure we do vital signs, because we want to make sure if their blood pressure is too high, we don't recommend that they receive the fluids at the time. So we do that, and then we have someone to place their IV, and they sit in a nice recliner, and most times, guess what? They go to sleep.
Oh, yeah, I probably would be guilty of that.
Yes, so it's very nice, relaxing environment, very quiet, and so we offer you a blanket, some water, whatever you need, go to sleep.
So, and I'm curious, as people working with you on there, I know we talk about, and we're getting ready to share your contact information, and in the past, you've been able to give a free consultation, and that's the launching off point for so many of your patients.
Yes.
Do you still need that free consultation to look into IV therapy?
Actually, you don't. We send you a questionnaire that you're able to fill out, and I review over it before your arrival, and I will speak with you briefly prior to, just for the expectation. And I also have a nurse that's available that will also make sure there's no contraindications for you receiving the fluids.
And then, of course, too, I know your passion is helping people, lose weight, and that's where that consultation comes in, because there's so many different ways. Your plans are different depending on the person. There's the information for New Vitality Life on your screen, so you can get in touch with them and take advantage of that free offer.